Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today's video is going to be a little different. I have taken a break from crochet and I decided to try something new for which I am using some gold beads and Kamal Kadai thread. If you don't have Kamal Kadai thread, you can also work with silk thread or just cotton thread. Whatever thread you have, you can work this design using that thread. I've taken one strand in the needle and I have doubled it and knotted it, and I'm going to make a blanket stitch like this. So if you guys are aware of normal needle embroidery, we do this kind of a stitch for patchwork and many more things. Usually it is done in the edges as well, so we generally refer it as blanket stitch. So this is the first blanket stitch after fixing the knot, and I'm going to work one more blanket stitch right next to it. So this gives you a crochet kind of look, but it is not crochet and it is not as difficult as crochet. So if you have no knowledge about crochet, you guys can easily go ahead and try this. So here I have worked 2 stitches. Now I'm going to add one big bead. I have kept gold beads of 2 different sizes. So now it is time to add a big gold bead. If you don't have a gold bead, you can use pearl, crystal or whatever is with you. So lay it like this and check where it is reaching, and at the same point again you will pierce the needle like this and wind the thread around the needle. So that is what makes a blanket stitch. Pull the needle. In case if you have taken a really long length of thread, then you might end up with all this mess, but it is okay. Work one more stitch very close to the one that you just worked. So every time you will have to get the needle in between the loop of that thread. So even if you're using silk thread, it might create a little more mess than this is creating. I thought to try Kamal Kadai thread is the best, so that is the reason I started working with Kamal Kadai thread. So this is how it looks at this stage. Then I'm going to add these small gold beads. These are 3 mm metal beads. So I've taken 4 of them in the needle like this. Slide them and separate the last 3 beads that you have added, and you will pass the needle through the first bead like this. Please check the direction. So it's more like a complete circle. So just pass it from this bead alone. So when you do this, the beads kind of sit in a diamond shape like this. So the 4 beads come together and it sits in a diamond position like this. It looks very pretty and delicate, so you guys can definitely try it on single colored saris. So fix it and right next to it work another blanket stitch like this. So the same pattern will continue. If you want, you can add tassels to this design. If not, you can completely skip. The choice is yours. But every time you do a blanket stitch, make sure you're pulling it tight, because in case if you fail to do that, then it will create some loose loop of thread which might not look that great. So take your time, because we are dealing with a long piece of thread here. Initially you might find it a little tricky and messy, but once you get used to it, you'll be fine. So now it is time to add another gold bead. Push the gold bead, check where it is reaching, and after you insert the gold bead, you will do 2 blanket stitches. So this is the first one, and then work the next one right next to it. So this is how it will continue. After we add a big bead, we'll work 2 blanket stitches, and then we'll add 4 metal beads and pass the needle through the first metal bead and pull so that they all come together in the shape of a diamond. So now I worked so far and you can see how beautiful it looks. I'm going to add the last set of beads. I think this design looks great when we try it with some crystals and pearls. So I think we should definitely go ahead and try that. So 4 beads, I'm pushing them all in and then getting the last 3 beads away, passing the needle through the first bead from the opposite direction like this. Definitely this kind of work needs patience, so give it a try. I'm sure it will also help you increase your patience level. So anything related to art and DIY definitely needs a lot of patience. So don't just stop looking at it thinking, oh, this is difficult, this is not possible, it is too much work and all of that. Just go ahead and give it a try and I'm sure you will start doing it more and more. So here I am ending it with last blanket stitch. So once we do this stitch, I'm going to knot the thread and trim off the excess. If you want, you can leave it at this, but then I thought of adding small tassels because lot of you like tassels. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks with the tassels and also without tassels, and then you can accordingly choose whatever you like. It's very simple. Once you kind of get that rhythm, you will just go on very fast, and this kind of design looks nice even on the necklines, I guess. Maybe for an old blouse, if you just want to give a new look, you can try this kind of design. It looks nice on dupattas and chunnis also, and even for the sleeve. So since it is very easy, and it doesn't take too much time, you guys can just go ahead and try it on whatever you feel like trying it on. So I've trimmed the thread and yeah, here it is. This is without tassels. Very soon I'll give you a close-up look. So this is how it looks without tassels. If you ask me, it looks really pretty without tassels as well. But since a lot of you are fond of tassels, I thought I'll add very tiny baby tassels because the design is so delicate, and I thought I'll just share the look with you guys. So here it is. I've added the tassels in between that diamond. So the 4th bead that we added is hidden under the tassel. Now you guys might say it's a waste of bead. Since I wanted to show you guys both the looks, I've added this bead. If you want, you can use something else in that place. So yeah, that's with my new try. I hope you guys like this video. You know what to do if you like the video. Give us that like button or hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.